morning, grade 1 students, and how are you doing? I hope that everyone is doing well and are ready for today's math lesson. So I'm going to start off today's lesson by singing one of the songs that we normally sing on mornings in school. But because we aren't in school, I'm not going to sing the part about every day that we go to school. I'll sing the part about every day we go and play. So I hope you'll sing along with me, okay? Every day I go and play. I meet new friends, and we all say, hello, hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Do you want to play? Hello, hello. What's your name? Nice to meet you. Do you want to play? Na 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 na. Hey. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that song to start off our maths lesson, and now we are going to be looking at the days of the week. So there are blank days of the week. How many days of the week are there? There are 7 days in a week. Yes, there's 7 days in a week. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days in a week. Now let's look at the 7 days that are in a week. There are 7 days. There are 7 days. There are 7 days in a week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday too. Great job. Can someone tell me what day is it today? Yes, today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. That means today is Monday, and tomorrow will be Tuesday. Yes, Monday is the first day of the school week, so we are starting off our lessons for today, Monday. And now let's quickly review the months of the year. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Now let's check them out. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the 12 months that are in a year. Do you know which month we are in now? Okay, so January has 31 days, and we have finished all of the days that were in January. Yesterday was January the 31st, so that means all the days in January are finished, and we are now in a new month. What month are we in? After January comes February, so we are in the month of February, and today is Monday, the 1st of February in the year 2021, and we are going to have maths. Let's do some counting to begin our maths lesson. So get your counting fingers ready, get your voice ready, and everyone, let's go into and to do some counting. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, great job. Can you guess what is the number of the week? What is the number that we're going to be looking at for this week? Can you make a guess? Let's see if you're going to get it right. The number of the week is 6. S-I-X, 6. So this is the number of the week. This is how we spell it. S-I-X, 6. So you can pause the video here and give it a go. Practice spelling the number 6. And this is how the digit 6 or the numeral 6, the way the figure is formed. So this is it in words, and this is how we form the figure, the numeral, the number. Those are the different words that we can use when we're speaking about the figure 6, okay? And here we have 6 fingers. Could you make 6 fingers for me? So hold up your hands. Let's make 6 fingers. So we have 5 fingers on one hand and we have 1 finger on the other hand, which means 5 plus 1 gives us 6. Or we can also say 1 plus 5 gives us 6. The number of the week is 6. And this is how the number 6 looks on a domino. So let's count them and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, this is the number 6 on a domino. And here is the prize domino that everyone likes to get when they're playing domino. This is what we call big 6. And we call it big 6 because there are 2 sets of 6 on it. This line separates the 2 sets of 6. So up here we have 1 set of 6. And down here is the other set of 6. So this is big 6. And when you get big 6 when you're playing domino, that means you get to start the game. Okay? This is how 6 looks on a dice. See the 6 black dots here? This is 6 on a dice. And now let's look at our fun fact for the week, okay? About the number 6. So here I have this insect. Do you know the name of this insect? Okay, have you ever seen it before? Alright, so this is a ladybird, and ladybirds normally have spots on their backs like this. So we are going to count the legs on the ladybird. So let's get to counting. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many legs does a ladybird have? A ladybird has 6 legs. So there you go, you know an insect that has 6 legs, a ladybird. Now let's practice writing the number 6. How do we write the number 6? We know how to spell it. Now let's learn how to write it.
How do we write the number 6? Around the clock until it ticks. That's the way to make a 6. Let's try it again. Around the clock until it ticks. That's the way to make a 6. Let's see if you can say it this time.
So you say it with her this time.
Nice job.
Great job. So I would like for you to practice writing the number 6. So you're going to count and write. Find and count 6 objects at your home. Any 6 things that you can find, you find them, you gather them all up together and you count them. And then you're going to write numeral 6 in figure and words. Okay, so you will write the word 6 and you will write the figure 6. Practice shaping your number 6. And then you're going to draw and color 6 objects for me. Okay, draw and color 6 things. Now let's move on to what we'll be looking at mainly today for maths. We'll be looking at sets. Sets. A set is a collection of objects. So once you have collected some things, you have a set there. So for example, when you went and you gathered the 6 things to count, you had a set. You had a set of 6 objects. The objects in the set can be the same. So here I have some seashells and they're all the same. So the objects in the set can be the same. How many seashells do I have in this set? Count them for me. How many seashells do I have? 4. I have 4 seashells in this set. The objects in the set can be different. The objects in the set can be different. How many objects do I have in this set? Are they all the same? No, they're different, but still I have a set of 4 objects. And a set with no objects is an empty set. So there's absolutely nothing here, so it's an empty set. So you can just cup your hands together and look at your hands. Do you have anything in your hands right now? If there's nothing in your hands, then it means it's an empty set. But if your mommy or auntie put something in your hand, like a pencil or eraser or their phone, then maybe you have one object in your set, or you could have more than one object in your set, okay? And today for maths, we're going to be looking at equal sets. Have you ever heard the word equal before? What does it mean when you hear equal? What does that word mean to you? Okay, so now let's explore what are equal sets. We're also going to be creating some equal sets for today's lesson. Equal sets have the same number of objects. Now when you look at these sets here, over here is one set and here I have another. How many bananas are in this set? Let's count. 1, 2. 2 bananas are in this set. How many oranges are in this set? 1, 2. 2 oranges are in this set. Are they the same number of objects in each set? Yes, here I have 2 bananas and here I have 2 oranges. The numbers are the same. So the objects may be different, but the numbers are the same. So when you're dealing with equal sets, you're focusing on the number. Remember, sets can have the same objects or different objects. Equal sets have the same number of objects. So even though they are different things, they are equal in number, in value. So here is an equal sign to show that the sets are equal, meaning that they have the same number of things in them. Alright, now we're going to be looking at some sets and we're going to be deciding, is it equal? We're going to be looking at the number of objects in the set and we're going to decide if it's equal or not equal. Okay? So let's look at these sets. So here I have one set, I have a set of flowers, and here I have a set of bees. We're going to see if it's equal. So I'm going to be matching a flower to a bee to see if they match up to be the same number. Alright, so one flower, one bee, one flower, one bee, one flower, one bee. Does everybody have a partner? Yes, each bee has a partner, each flower has a partner. So is this set equal? Yes, it is equal. We can also count the number of objects in each set and see if we have the same number. So let's count and see. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 flowers in this set. Now let's count the bees. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 bees in this set. So that means that this set is equal. I have the same number of objects in each set. Now let's look at this one. We have a set of cats and a set of lizards. Okay, now let's match them up and see if our set is equal. One cat, one lizard, one cat, one lizard. Oh, I see that there is one lizard remaining. Okay, so is this set equal? No, it's not. Why do you think it's not equal? Okay, yes, indeed. So we have 2 cats here, but there are 3 lizards. So they don't have the same number of objects. There is 1 more lizard in this set than in the cat set. So that means this set is not equal. That's why I put a stroke to the equal sign. It's not equal. The set of lizards has 1 more than the cat set. Okay, so it's not equal. Now let's look at this set. We have some dog bowls with food and then we have some dogs. Let's see if they match up, if they're equal, the same number. 1 dog, 1 bowl, 1 dog, 1 bowl. Is there anything left over? No, there isn't. So that means that this set is equal. They have the same number of objects in each set. Now let's look at our final set. Let's see. We have a set of balls and we have a set of boys. Alright, so let's match each boy to a ball or each ball to a boy. So we have 1 ball, 1 boy, that matches. 1 ball, 1 boy, that matches. But did we match all the items in each set? No, there is 1 ball remaining. So that means the ball set has 1 more ball more than this set of boys. So that means this set is not equal. They do not have the same number of objects. Okay, so it's not equal. The ball set has 1 more ball than the boy set. Now let's try together. So we're going to be drawing sets together. The instructions say we need 2 sets of shapes. The sets must be equal. So when you're drawing your sets, you can decide on if you want to draw the objects first and then match them up, or you want to decide on a number first. For this one, I'm going to decide on a number. So I said I want to draw a set of 1. So your set can be as small as 1. So I'm going to draw a set of 1. So here I drew 1 triangle. That's a shape. It's a triangle. It has 3 sides. 1, 2, 3 sides. So I have 1 triangle. So over here, I'm also going to draw 1 object because I want to make the sets equal. So what shape am I going to draw? I think that I'm going to draw an oval. So I drew 1 oval. So both of my sets have in 1 object. Do you see 1 shape here, 1 shape here, 1 triangle, 1 oval? So is this set equal? Yes, it is. This set is equal. It has the same number of objects. Now let's look at this other one. It says 2 sets of fruits. The sets must be equal. So for this one, I'm going to draw first and then decide on the number. I'm going to draw a certain number in my first set and then stop. Okay, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. I drew 4 cherries. So the number that I'm going to be drawing in this set now is going to be 4. So let's go and draw another set of fruits here. I think that I'm going to draw plums. I'm going to draw some plums. So let's go and draw 4 plums. So I have 1 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do both sets having the same number of objects? Yes, they both having 4. So that means these sets are equal. Great job. Now it's your turn to practice creating your own equal sets. You're going to be drawing and counting. Turn to page 66 in your textbook, your maths text, Caribbean Primary Mathematics, and you're going to do exercise 1A. So exercise 1A, you're not going to do part B. So the exercise 1A asks for you to draw equal sets. You're going to be drawing some objects there in the sets to make them equal. The instructions say draw the sets, write the numbers. 2 sets of fish, the sets must be equal. You're not going to do B, okay, where they ask you to draw flowers. And that will be the end of today's lesson. So bye bye, and I hope to see you guys again soon. Enjoy the balance of your day.